September September the 20th, 11 a.m. Alright, you can come down now. Don't fall. It's so cute. There's not a whole lot of water. See my shadow. You put it in the water?
Yeah, you shake it back and forth in the water.
Yeah, just shake it back and forth and see.
Easy.
I got nothing. I got one.
Krista, what'd you get? Ooh, I want to see.
Shake it back and forth.
Can I see?
Oh, I got 3.
She got an arrowhead.
There you go.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, there's a really pretty one.
Oh, wow, that is pretty. Look at this arrowhead.
Here's the rest of it.
Wow.
So,
So, this is what she found while she was mining. Okay, maybe she's gonna go. Ah! There you go. What's in here? Wow. What's in here? Corn? Oh.
wait, I have to do one thing.
A corn angel.
A corn angel. Alright, Krista. You're going to learn how to milk a cow. You gotta use both hands.
We'll take the hay ride to the sunflower patch and also to a pumpkin patch. The hay ride load at
Oh, he's pretty. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Mama.
Oh, that's precious. Hi, guys. They're so cute. Goodness. Adorable. That one's larger. Aww. What do you think about them, Krista? Adorable, huh? Oh, look at the tiny babies. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. She's scared. That one's wanting to greet. Hi.
Hi. Aw, you're so furry. Feel it, Mama. Hi. Feel one.
Look at his eyes. Oh my goodness, he has beautiful eyes.
Mama, feel one.
Oh. Rosie right there, jealous.
Hey, he needs to be named Oreo.